South Africa calling. This video is for plastic surgeons and dermatologists who wish to enter to the field of hair restoration and hair transplantation. If you're new to this field, this video is for you. Or if you're already doing hair transplant, this video is more for you. Here is the time to upgrade your skills in the field of hair restoration or enter into the field of hair restoration. Baldness is an epidemic globally. Are you ready? Are you as a surgeon skilled, trained, experienced to offer great hair transplant to your patients? South Africa is a great market. Yes, a lot of clinics are mushrooming up. Only few doctors are really at the top who can deliver international class hair restoration. For others, it's a learning experience till now. So instead of you coming and traveling all over the world, expert faculty is coming to you at Cape Town to train you in the more advanced processes of hair restoration. This workshop brings to you newer techniques, instant FUE. What's that? Simultaneous extraction of hair grafts from back of the scalp to the front. What is Biotech FUE? What is FUE boosters? What is Autologous exosomes? What are designer hairlines? What is temple reconstructions? What about crown reconstructions? What about beard hair transplant? What about eyebrow hair transplant? And most importantly, we have all three ethnicity covered: the black patients, the Caucasians, and the brown patients. There is a lot more into this workshop. To know more about the faculty, curriculum, dates, WhatsApp to the number below or mail us to the number below. There are limited 10 doctor seats only. We come only once a year to South Africa, so don't miss this opportunity. Book your dates now.